Today we are at one of my newest listings. We are in Rio Villa, Indialantic, Florida, having an open house, which I like to call a mega open house. I do a lot of preparation to make sure my open houses are successful, starting with at least a week in advance. I'm preparing. Some of my best tips for a successful open house are: 1, pre-marketing. I bring flyers to every neighbor's home, invite them to the open house, give them a 1-hour private window prior to the full open house to come on in and enjoy. Sometimes these neighbors are interested in selling their home, or perhaps they have family moving into town. So having the neighbors come in is absolutely crucial. 2, social media. You need to have a team. Bring in your title agent, bring in your lender, have them market with you. Sharing is caring. Let them share it on social media, have a Facebook event, and invite everybody to come on in. So those are my top 2 tips. Beyond that, have a little wow factor. Bring in a special caterer, offer a raffle, a giveaway. Today we are offering, we're offering a Yeti cooler up for raffle, which is super nice for a lot of people that live beachside. We're always at the beach over here. And that's about it. So come on in.